So at Ignite Motorrad, all of us have our favorite styles of bikes. KV and Sid prefer the ultimate speed machines, you know, the super bikes and the hyper nakeds. I like those bikes, don't get me wrong. But personally, I'd rather have my garage full of cruisers and adventure tourers. So you can imagine my excitement when I found out that my favorite cruiser brand had decided to make an adventure tourer. And when KV called me a few days ago to tell me that Two Rivers Harley Davidson had one of the bikes ready for us to film, I almost exploded. So right here, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Harley Davidson Pan America 1250. The Pan America is powered by Harley Davidson's all-new Revolution Max 1250 engine. This engine puts out 150 frantic horses and 128 Nm of torque. Now the really interesting thing is this engine is actually a structural element of the motorcycle chassis, which eliminates the presence of a traditional frame. Benefits of this are, the weight of the bike is less, the chassis is extremely rigid and the center of gravity is low. The bike rolls on specially designed Michelin Scorcher tires which were collaboratively developed for on-road and off-road adventure touring. Michelin analyzed all possible aspects of the tire in order to design it for maximum performance. The Pan America also comes equipped with 5 riding modes which are Rain, Road, Sport, Off-Road and Off-Road Plus, and an additional slot to make your own custom mode where you can personally customize the settings of the bike exactly how you want it. The bike also comes with cornering enhanced traction control and cornering enhanced anti-lock brakes. The Harley has a 17.3 cm color TFT infotainment display with touch sensitivity and Bluetooth compatibility, hands-free phone operation, voice recognition for certain functions, as well as the usual information readouts like music control and navigation. The amount of customization on offer here is insane and can keep you occupied for hours. The top-spec version of the Pan America even gets adaptive ride height which can be toggled via the TFT. The controls fall to hand easily and the interface is well designed and easy to understand. Definitely right up there with the best infotainment systems we've seen on bikes so far. If Arnold Schwarzenegger ever wanted to go off the beaten path, this would almost certainly be his machine of choice. I think of this as the quintessential Terminator ADV. The menacing horizontal headlight and the muscular exterior paired with the beautiful finishing on the Revolution Max V-twin make this one of the most unique looking tourers out there. It's almost as though Harley took the genetic code of their cruiser range and altered it for the adventure tourer body format in such a way that the familiar Harley DNA is still visible through this all-new body style. The horizontal LED looks absolutely gorgeous, especially complemented with the chunky indicator units which we initially thought were fog lights. I'm not too sure about the secondary light unit above the LED bar though, it looks a tiny bit out of place to my eyes. The amount of presence the Pan America commands is crazy. Like other top-end high-capacity adventure tourers, the Pan America is a properly huge motorcycle. Its size coupled with the robotic and chunky styling elements help the Pan America absolutely dominate whatever environment it's present in. I think it looks unique and absolutely spectacular. Deliveries of the Pan America 1250 have just started in India, and if you want to buy this fantastic and versatile motorcycle, prices start at 16,90,000 rupees ex-showroom. This bike is one of the top spec bikes and it has an on-road price of 26 lakh rupees and the extreme top model has a price of 28 lakh rupees. So no, it's not a cheap motorcycle, but then again, it can do a lot, and looking at this walk around video that we've just done, you'll be convinced that it is an extremely versatile and technologically advanced machine as well. Also, if you liked the video, don't forget to leave us a thumbs up, comment what you feel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content, and if you have any questions which you'd like to ask us, drop us a DM on any of our 3 Instagram accounts. Ride safe. Huge thanks to Two Rivers Harley Davidson for letting us film their beautiful Pan America 1250. Their contact number is on screen now as well as down in the video description. We will be filming more videos at Harley, so stay tuned for that and subscribe so you don't miss it.